In today's video, we're going to learn how to use citation generators in the library databases. Citation generators will generate the citation in the style you want with a click of a button. However, you do need to use the citation generators responsibly. They're a great guide, but they're not always correct. You especially need to look out for capitalization and formatting when using the citation generator, and compare what the citation generator gives you to the resource guide for your citation. In JSTOR, there are two citation generators. When you're on your search results page, you can go down here to Cite, click Cite, and it will give you MLA, Chicago, or APA, and you just need to copy it, and it'll be copied to your clipboard. The other way to do it is to open the article and hit Cite, and the same thing comes up, and copy it, and it'll copy to your clipboard. Using the citation generator in ProQuest is similar to using it in JSTOR. You would find the article and click here for the citation. When it comes up, you have a list of different citation styles that you can use. I'm going to do APA 7th edition. And it comes up, and then you can just copy it, and it copies to the clipboard. The other way you can do it in ProQuest is to open the paper and then just click the cite here and do the same thing. Just make sure it's on the correct citation style, and